Now, we will learn how to log in to Learnrdrive. Go to login details in your email. Then click to set your password with the following. The first one is to reset your password if you've forgotten them. You can see here. To get a new password if you give your username or email address. Now the second one is to log in with your I will continue with Google. Then select continue. And here we go. You may have to wait for a while. And here it is, login successful. Then go to dashboard. Go to dashboard on the upper right. Then select safeguarding children. Click start course. And here we go. Continue with the course. If you want to go to the next unit, just click on the next unit. And you can gradually continue going on the same way. I hope you have got your concept right. Thank you. As we have finished our course, now we will go and click Finish Course. Wait for a while and now go to Dashboard. Here you can see Profile on the left side. Click Profile and here you can see Safeguarding Children. So your certificate is ready. Now you can download it easily. Thank you.